Hey guys, welcome back to another cool video. In this video I will show you how can you create that manipulation on your Android phone using Photoshop Touch. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now first of all, add your image to Photoshop Touch. To do that, find that image which you have to add. Simply tap on that image and click on add. Now we don't need this forest background in this image, so we will select that area and remove that. To do that, go to scribble selection tool and turn on the keep mode. Now paint over that area which you want to keep, like I am doing here. After that, turn on the remove option and paint over that area which you want to remove. In my case, I have to remove the forest, so I will paint over there. After selecting the background, go to feather and decrease it to 1%. Now it's time to refine the edges, so go to refine edge tool and simply paint over the edges of the selection. Now inverse the selection, so it will flip the selection. Now clear it. Now we have to remove this area also, so we will use polygon selection tool here. So turn on the cursor. Now select the area. To do that, slide down the cursor and tap anywhere on the screen. If you make mistakes, so you can use undo button also. Now after selecting that area, remove that, and I will remove this area also which are left. You can use eraser tool also for this. Now go to crop and take the slider up like I am doing here. Now this side is very small, so choose marquee selection tool and select some parts of here like I am doing here. And now go to transform and make sure the lock aspect ratio is turned off. Now take it up. Now it's time to add the background image, so go to layers and click on the plus icon to add your image. Now take this layer down and go to transform. Turn on the lock aspect ratio and increase the size like you want. Now the skies is very small, so we will just select that area and make it bigger. Now it's time to add the moon. So go to layers and add your moon image. Now remove the black part with any tool you want. I am using Scribble selection tool. Now after that, go to transform and decrease the size of the moon and take it anywhere you want. Now take a duplicate layer of the moon. Now go to FX and blur it to at 100%. Take this layer down and choose the main moon image layer and increase the level of the moon image.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly.